Hello and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright, I was going through some old videos of mine that I didn't actually put on like air publicly, so I thought I'd just share this one. This is a video I made 3 years ago comparing the Chinese radial pick with an HPC radial pick? Tubular pick. So yeah, the Chinese tubular pick and the HPC tubular pick, and there is no comparison. Have a look, you can see which one wins, but I'm sure you can guess. So anyway, cheers, and don't forget again, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we've got the cheap Chinese pick. Look, it's got the arrow on there. So let's just set it, push the ring down, set all the pins to 0, stick it in. It's a bit stiff. Let's try to reset it again. Clearly struggling. Okay, HPC. Stick it in there. Oh, straight away. Let's try again. Reset. So you can see it's all reset. See how that's reset. The right way up. No. Straight away. Okay. I would definitely go for the HPC. Cheers.